Hi everyone, my name is Miss Alex. I work at the Bala Library, and today we are going to learn how to make origami fish. It's pretty simple. The only things that you need are a square piece of paper. I'm using a 6x6 square, but as long as all the sides are even, it shouldn't matter what size you use. And you will also need a writing utensil for the end to draw a little face on your fish. So the first thing you're going to do is hold your paper like a diamond and fold it in half. Try to get it as even as you can, but if it's not perfect, that's fine. Mine is definitely not going to be perfect. So you will have a triangle like this. Unfold it, and you'll see that there is a crease down the middle. From there, you're going to fold it again the same way. And you'll get another triangle. Okay, unfold it, and there are now 2 creases. Or 4, depending on how you look at it. So then you will hold it like a square and fold it in half again. You'll get a rectangle, and then from there you will fold it again so that you get a square, and you will have 1 crease down the middle. Alright, so the next thing you're going to do is you are going to take the top like this and just fold it down so that you get 1 large triangle and 1 small triangle. Okay? You'll want to turn it around so that this side is facing you. It will just have a little crease as opposed to a separate triangle. And you're going to do the same thing where you take the top piece and fold it down. And so you'll get another little triangle with 1 crease down the middle. Okay? So we're going to hold it this way, and you should have 2 flaps at the top and then 2 flaps at the bottom. So the next thing you're going to do is fold this side down to the crease in the middle. And then we're going to start making our fins. Okay. So it should look like this. Then you will fold the same side down to the bottom again. So it will look like this. The end will look like this. Okay. Unfold it. Should have a number of creases. But what we're going to do is take this bottom flap and fold it up to the second crease. After we have this, we're going to fold this one down like so. And there's your fish. Alright, there's the body of your fish. Its fins. If you want to put a little piece of tape on the back, you can. Otherwise, you can keep it like this. And then the last thing you're going to want to do is just draw an eye and a little smile. And there is your origami fish. Thank you, and I hope that you enjoyed this craft.